This is just a friendly reminder that the workshop is never idle. Even when you don't see us, we're working. This commission piece was for an extra long planter bed with matching side planters, the custom lower shelf, and of course, it had to be mobile. So we put some wheels on there that you can roll it around, get it to its location, and plant it securely back on the ground. And what's better than one custom shelf? 2 shelves. Those came out quite nice. Due to the length, we had some custom joinery. We had those extra long sides to get to those mitered edges. Made use of some tight bond 3. And at this point, she is complete and ready to roll. Literally. One thing about Cedar, the colors can be outstanding. I stained the legs, planed the sides and shelves, and left them natural at the client's request. Mitered corners on the rim. And the figure in the Cedar is outstanding. Check out this board in particular. That looks great. This is a one-off bespoke custom request, never to be repeated again. So like I said, the shop, it's never idle. Thanks for watching.